Hi, I'm Shannon Akins. Today we're going to be talking about the fusing workshops we do here at the Museum of Glass. Fusing is taking cold pieces of glass and combining them in the kiln so that they melt together. This is what we would call a full fuse tile. As you can see, it's been melted to the point where it's completely flat and all of the glass pieces that were assembled cold merged together. This is what we call a tacked fuse tile. You can see there's a texture on there because it hasn't melted completely flat. The last kind of workshops we do are the slumping workshops. And so as you can see, these pieces have been connected together, but then there's an additional feature where they've been slumped over a form to make more of a dimensional shape. So today we're going to be focusing on our 4x4-inch fully fused tile. We're going to pick two cold 4x4-inch pieces. I'm going to go with a white base with a clear second layer. So our design layer can be made up of three different things. We have chunks of cold glass that is cut into shapes. We can cut the shape into specific shape, or you can go fishing and find the perfect shape. We also have what we call frit, and frit is the same kind of glass we're using, all broken into tiny little chunks. The third thing that we have as an option are these really fun little stringers, and these look a lot like angel hair pasta, and you can break them like angel hair pasta. So I'm satisfied with my design, so I think I'm going to take it over to the kiln. Now that my glass is in the kiln, we'll close it up and bring it up to about 1500 degrees, and then it will fully fuse, and then it will slowly go down to room temperature over about 18 hours. So in about 24 hours, my tile will be ready to come out. Thanks for joining me today, talking about fusing. If this looks like fun, go to the Museum of Glass website and register for a fusing workshop. Thanks, bye.